Think the Power Platform is just for low code? Think again. Unlock the full potential of Power Platform by diving into the world of professional developer scenarios. As part of the TechCon 365 and PowerCon 365 Seattle conference happening in June, join us for a workshop where we will explore the ProCode scenarios and why a professional developer should consider Power Platform as part of their skill set. In this workshop, we'll explore how professional developers can enhance Power Platform with custom data and functionality solutions. From code components that bring advanced functionality to your apps. Code components allow you to add functionality to your Power Apps using tools and methodologies that are familiar to all web developers. To building custom connectors that seamlessly integrate with external systems and APIs. This is more than a lecture. It's a practical, collaborative experience designed to help you level up your skills. Learn to solve real-world challenges that transform business processes and elevate your role as a Power Platform expert. Join us to master the professional developer scenarios in the Power Platform. Expand your toolkit and take your career to the next level. Reserve your spot today. Your Power Platform journey awaits.